Hello and welcome to Make Your Own's instruction page. My name is Oona, I'm the founder of Make Your Own, and I'm really happy that you have found us. Make Your Own is a concept we created for you who want to learn handicrafts in an easy and fun way and don't necessarily have time or interest to learn how to read the hard patterns or the code language that's quite common with the knitting and crocheting instructions. We have created all Myos instructions so that you can follow them easily. We have videos, we have text, we have everything to explain how you can make your product from the beginning to the end. We hope to inspire you by publishing new instructions on this site every week. We have already a bunch of nice instructions for crocheting, knitting and macrame, and new ones coming out every week. We have a technique school and digital workshops for you who want to join those as well. And for the ones who are looking for more advanced patterns, we have some good news. Those are coming actually as well. Myo is a company I founded together with my friend Sally, and we are a group of girls and guys working with this at the moment. Our creators are getting paid for every instructions they make, and that's why we also have a membership fee for everyone who wants to use the instructions. So buy your membership and let's get creative together. It would be so nice to have you in our community.